Beautiful 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, 2 half bath townhome with garage. Open floor plan with beautiful hardwood floors, brand new carpet throughout, and fresh paint. The gourmet kitchen with stainless steel appliances with new range and microwave, large cabinets and granite countertops are sure to impress. Sliding glass door out onto huge deck. Family room filled with natural light, recreation room with a fireplace and a walkout. This can also be considered a bedroom based on the egress. Master suite with vaulted ceilings and an expansive master bath with a double vanity, a tub and a walk-in closet, crown molding. Beautifully landscaped and maintained exterior, unlimited parking, driveway and 1-car garage. Deck to the backyard, fenced and spacious backyard. Community with pool, tennis courts, common area maintenance and trash and snow removal, 2 blocks from Fort Evans Plaza. Please contact Ronnie at 703-899-8999 for private open house.